Welcome to the playbook of perfecting your YouTube shorts. First, carve out a clear theme for your video. Draw an outline or jot down key points to steer your content. Next, it's action time. Use a high-quality camera or smartphone, ensure the lighting is just right, and keep those shots steady. Remember, YouTube shorts are typically under a minute, so keep it concise. Capture attention in the first few seconds. Use vibrant colors, interesting visuals, and varied camera angles to boost visual appeal. Don't forget about audio quality. Clear, crisp audio can make or break your video. Now onto the editing suite. Trim, cut, and enhance your footage. Sprinkle in text, effects, or overlays for an extra dash of appeal. Once you're satisfied, design an eye-catching thumbnail, craft a compelling title, and write a brief description. Upload your masterpiece using the YouTube app, and don't forget those all-important hashtags. Engage with your viewers, respond to comments, and build a community. Keep an eye on YouTube analytics to understand viewer behavior and tweak your approach as needed. Remember, these steps are adaptable based on your content and audience preferences. Now go forth and create.